It's 7:15, Thursday, the 15th of November. We have arrived in Cairo, and this is the view early evening from the 16th floor of the Ramesses Hilton. You can hear the traffic, it's unbelievable, as is the smog and haze even at this time, but the view is stunning. I am so glad